Hello everyone, my name is Artur Kulmuhamedov. Me and Aysuluk Abdulhakova are students of Vienna University of Technology. And today, in terms of information engineering, we are going to introduce you product of Computer Associates ERWin Process Modeler or bpwin. Computer-aided software engineering, so-called CASE, is the scientific application of a set of tools and methods to a software system which is meant to result in high quality, defect-free and maintainable software products. It also refers to methods for the development of the information systems, together with automated tools that can be used in the software development process. Business modeling usually is implemented with case tools. Such tools are presented by bpwin, Silver Run, Oracle Design, Rational Rows, etc. Functional abilities of software tools for structure modeling will be discussed by the example of bpwin. ERWin Process Modeler, formerly bpwin, is a tool for modeling, analyzing, documenting, and optimizing business processes. It can be used for graphical representation of business processes. Graphic presentation of this information allows us to translate the problem of management, the organization of complex traits in engineering technology. bpwin supports three standard notations: IDF0, functional simulation, DFD, data flow modeling, and IDF3, workflow modeling. Each of them solves its specific problems. In bpwin, it is possible to construct joint model. For example, model consists of IDF0, IDF3 and DFD diagrams at the same time. Intuitive graphic user interface that quickly and easily mastered, that you can focus on the analysis of the subject area that is focused on learning tools. Interactive hint helps accelerate the development of the product. Organizational structure affects the way described and implemented business processes. bpwin maintains an accurate description of roles that define and categorizes the problem of work with business processes. Organization charts is used in bpwin to determine the role, composition, and altitude of the business process. As for methods for monitoring the correctness of the model, the presence of context-sensitive toolbars, the impossibility of creating a model of incorrect connections, automatic migration of the boundary arrows, the ability to automatically monitor an imbalance of the boundary arrows on a daughter and parental features, can automatically check the names of arrows and the names of functional units, the availability of outlet and offices, and additional diagram and all sort of reports of the model content, all of which help automate the process of constructing correct models of business processes. Speaking about interface, we should mention that it is user-friendly and very easy to work with. On the left side, the names and hierarchy of entities are represented, while on the top there are a variety of functions that help in constructing models in bpwin. On this slide you can see the result of working in bpwin. We are going to the last part of this presentation, which is about benefits and stories of success concerning to bpwin product. The benefits of using bpwin systems are the following. bpwin can improve business efficiency, streamline procedures for any company. It fully supports the method of calculating the cost in terms of economic activity, value analysis, ABC. It is inexpensive, widespread. There are lots of information and competent professionals. And as it was mentioned earlier, bpwin is easy to learn and use. There are many successful stories about implementation of bpwin notation in enterprises. The most great is its exploitation in NATO, USA. Let's discuss it in details. The task of NATO, North Atlantic Bloc, protection of 16 states, members of the bloc, particularly the USA, Britain, Germany, France, and Canada. Changes in the balance of power in the world and reducing defense budgets led to a reconstructing of tasks and consequently to changes in the structure of the armed forces. NATO and the Ministry of Defense must maintain a system of national defense and military readiness in the light of these changes. Urgent task is to supply an efficient defense techniques, so NATO is interested in the latest defense technologies. Harmonization of processes and re-equipment of logistics a very complicated process because it involves the integration of weapon and computing 16 different countries with different approaches in these areas. In order to implement efforts to coordinate re-equipment and modernization of logistics, NATO uses a simulation technique called Integrated Definition Language (IDEF). IDEF adopted in the USA as a federal information processing standard and is supported by the National Institute of Standards and Technology (NIST), the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers (IEEE), and user groups IDF. IDF is now well accepted in NATO as the standard process modeling and data and is used as the most effective international language data in 16 countries, members of the unit and space and defense industries. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye.